My name is Galen Rockswold. I'm a St. Olaf College graduate in 1962, and we started this St. Olaf student experience here at Hennepin County Medical Center about 7 years ago, just to provide these students with basically experiential learning in medicine and research.
The Rockswold Health Scholars program is a 10-week summer program. We are all rising seniors that are part of this, but it's open to juniors and seniors at St. Olaf College.
Dr. Rockswold created this program specifically for Oles, knowing that a lot of students come to St. Olaf pre-med and a lot of them might not know what that means or have any experience in the medical field.
Dr. Rockswold has been a really great mentor to all of us. We meet with him probably almost weekly. He wants to know how we're doing, what we've been working on.
They're just so in there and so enthusiastic. Most of them say it's either the most meaningful experience or one of the most meaningful experiences that they have at St. Olaf.